What does it take for a 70-year-old American manufacturer to stay ahead in a competitive industry? Innovation, efficiency, and a cutting-edge learning management system to upskill its workforce. With over 2,500 staff across multiple locations, our client faced a major challenge: keeping their workforce trained, certified, and compliant while maintaining operational efficiency. They needed a solution that was scalable, easy to use, and equipped with advanced reporting. Enter Paradiso LMS. With Paradiso LMS, they streamlined employee training, ensured compliance, and improved engagement through interactive learning modules and automated tracking. The results? Increased workforce productivity, reduced training costs, and a future-ready organization. Your business deserves the same success. Transform your workforce with the power of LMS. Visit www.paradisosolutions.com to learn more and book a demo today. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips on transforming your training experience. Empower your learning journey, one solution at a time. Simplify, engage, succeed. www.paradisosolutions.com